Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have another big Chanel unboxing for you. It is a bag. I got myself another classic bag from Chanel right before the price increase, literally one day before the price increase, and I can't wait to show you what I got. So if you're interested, keep watching, and also don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram where I show you my daily outfit. I also show you my new purchases, how I style them. So if you're interested, come say hi. I would love to see you there as well. Today I'm very happy because I'm partnering again with Shoptagr, which is my favorite shopping assistant. It is an essential tool for us shopaholics, and it will be especially helpful during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So I wanted to remind you guys to use it because there will be so many discounts. I am waiting for the big sales to start, and guys, if you watch until the end of the video, you will learn about how to enter their $5,000 giveaway. Shoptagr always finds you the best savings, and it uses clever technology to help you save more money when you shop online with little to no effort from you. It is a browser extension that you can also download on your phone. You can find a huge list of all online retailers supported by Shoptagr. So you head over to your favorite store, pick an item that you want to buy, and you click on the little Shoptagr S button. As you can see, you can save items to different wish lists or categories, so they are easy to find. I have split mine into shoes, accessories, clothes and bags. You can also create multiple wish lists so you can shop more mindfully and intelligently during these times with less impulse buys. So as you can see, you can also see your items organized by brands or retailers. Everything is so much more easier to find that way. You will then get push notifications on your phone or email when the item you want is on sale or back in stock. Shoptagr also notifies you when an item is low in stock, which is great. Shoptagr has so many amazing features. One of my favorites is that you can see coupon codes at checkout. This is a special feature if you use Shoptagr on your computer. It will search the entire internet for the best codes to apply and save you the most amount of money when you're purchasing the item. They have also launched a new cashback feature, so you can earn cash via PayPal now when you shop from select retail partners, which you can also see a list of on your Shoptagr. You guys know that I love shopping online, and I'm sure that if you're watching this video, if you're watching this channel, you definitely love shopping too. So why not try Shoptagr? If you're not using Shoptagr, you're definitely missing out. It is completely free of charge, so download it. I'll leave a link down below in the description box for you to check out. Okay, let's start with this unboxing, shall we? However, before that, I have a little vlog for you, so I'll insert the footage now.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Okay guys, we're on Sloane Street and I'm going to Chanel to collect something very special. Can you guess what? This is my bag of the day today. They're actually wrapping up my purchase. Can't wait to show you. The brooch and the hoop earrings are so nice. These are some of the new bags from the fall winter collection that they currently have. It doesn't look like Chanel, but we have a Chanel bag inside. It is raining. Currently it stopped raining actually now, but it was raining earlier, so I said I don't want the normal Chanel bags. Plus I didn't want to carry this around because I have some more work in Central. I didn't want to carry a huge Chanel paper bag with me to attract attention, so I asked for a plain one. So yeah, one day before the increase, scored another baby. Can't wait to show you. So this happened on a Tuesday, literally one day before the price increase. Yes, Chanel had yet another price increase. It is crazy, and I did let you know guys on my Instagram stories when I found out that Chanel is having another price increase. My SA messaged me one day in the morning and I immediately posted on my stories to let you guys know in case you wanted to buy something before the price increase. Everyone was expecting Chanel to have the price increase in November. Instead, they already had a price increase in October. Very cheeky Chanel, okay? And I heard there might be another one right before the cruise collection, which is coming out in mid-November. So Chanel, what are you thinking? But let me show you what I ended up buying. I think I already mentioned, I got another classic Chanel bag. So guys, any guesses before I unbox this? Leave me comments down below. It is something that I've wanted. It was on my wish list. And this was the last one in the UK. My SA found this in Dublin and it came, I think she ordered this and it came in like a day, 1 or 2 days. It was very fast. So I've wanted this bag anyway, and it was the last one in the UK, so I was like, yes please, I'm gonna buy it. So I have already unboxed this because I wanted to film a little unboxing for my Instagram. So I have already unboxed this, and as I said, I bought it last month, so I have worn it as well, but I tried to box it back the way it was. So I have the receipt to tell you what was the price. Now it is more. So, okay, we have the booklet and all that inside, but let me show you the bag. It comes in the classic white dust bag. Okay, are you guys ready? My little lemon. How many of you guessed? How many of you guessed? Did you guys guess I got this beauty? Oh my god, I hope it's showing true to color. Oh, it is so beautiful. Isn't it perfect? So this is a classic double flap Chanel in the small size. This is my first small classic flap. I have a jumbo and a medium, which I'll compare later on. I'll show you a comparison between the sizes. It is double flap, as you can see, in caviar and champagne gold hardware. So let's open it up, and as you can see, it has the double flap. It is beautiful yellow inside, and this is the chain. This one is very special again because it is made in France. It has the made in France stamp. I think this is my third or fourth Chanel bag made in France. All my other bags are made in Italy, so I'm very happy. It's always a plus, a big bonus when you get a bag made in France. They're quite rare, so I'm very happy about that. So this beautiful lemon yellow came in a medium and a small size, and you guys know that I think I've mentioned before in other videos that the medium size is my new favorite. I really enjoy wearing the medium. I think it's the perfect size. However, I'm not gonna lie, I've been really enjoying wearing this smaller size. The straps are very short, the chain straps are quite short. I still wish Chanel would change that and start making classic flaps with longer chains, because I'm very tall and I really want to wear them crossbody, but I can't. I can only wear them on one shoulder or as a top handle. Unless you're very petite, you won't be able to crossbody this. I can crossbody it, but it goes up to here, like it doesn't sit right, it just looks weird. Even the medium, it is slightly longer, it sits slightly lower, but still it looks wrong. So yeah, I wish they could change that and start making longer chains. So one of the main reasons I decided to go for the small size, which by the way I think might be my new favorite size, is really adorable, is because I think brighter colored bags look cuter in smaller sizes. I did see the medium, but I thought it was a bit too much yellow, if you know what I mean. So I thought this yellow color, because it's quite bright, looks perfect in a smaller size. So I ended up going for the small, and I'm so happy with it. It is so perfect. I think the champagne gold hardware is very complimentary on this color, on this bag. It's perfect. So let me tell you the price. I have the receipt right here next to me. So I paid, bear in mind that was one day before the price increase, I paid £4,820. Crazy, right? For the small size. Yeah. The medium, which I also bring, so the medium which I also bring so I can show you them like this, was, I think I paid 5,300 for this one back in April, I would say. There is an unboxing video, so I'll make sure I link it up here in this corner if you're interested. This is the beige Claire. So size comparison, medium, small. So you can see that this is much smaller, but it looks so cute. I really love small bags. And then I also brought, I didn't bring my jumbo, but I'll insert a clip so you can see them next to each other. I bring my rectangular mini, so you can see them next to each other. Again, size comparison. Yeah, this is much smaller. However, this fits a lot because it is a single flap. You guys know that the Chanel Classic Flap is my favorite style. I love them so much. I want classic flaps in every single color. So I will definitely continue buying them, although the prices now are ridiculous. But I just love them. They're my favorite style. Very classic, timeless bags. You can't go wrong with a classic Chanel flap. If I find anything similar, I will make sure I link it down below. Chanel doesn't really do yellows very often, that's why I thought this is very unique, and I really wanted to grab it before it's gone. I know it looks like more of a summer bag, and I know I'll probably wear it even more during the summer and warmer months. However, I'm still rocking this baby out even now. It is raining and miserable. I'm definitely going to wear it during the winter months as well. Nothing will stop me. I can't wait to style it with big chunky white knits. And this as a pop of color with a pair of jeans. Simple outfit, but the bag make the outfit stand out. You guys know how much I love yellow. I love wearing yellow, and it is one of my favorite colors. It's very complimentary. It makes me very happy. I'm always very positive when I wear yellow, so I'm very happy. I think this might be one of my top favorite bags in my collection, honestly. So yeah, this is the newest baby. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope this video wasn't too long. I hope I'm not forgetting anything, but again, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. So yeah, follow me on Instagram so you can see how I style this baby. Can't wait to wear it. Okay guys, that's all, but before I finish this video, no, I haven't forgotten about the amazing $5,000 giveaway that Shoptagr is doing. So all you have to do is download Shoptagr on your browser, on your phone, save at least 3 items, but the more you save, the better your chances are of winning. So keep saving items. Now with the holidays coming and Black Friday, it is the perfect timing, so make sure you save those items. So complete these steps by the 24th of November and Shoptagr will email the winner on the 25th and send them a $5,000 gift card to spend at their favorite store. If I win, I'm going straight to Louisa by Aroma and I'm gonna order myself some amazing luxury goodies. So don't forget to check the link I've left in the description box and download Shoptagr for free. And also I'll leave links to everything that I'm wearing, my makeup, my jewelry. I'll try and find a similar bag or the same one. Hopefully I can find something similar in link if you're guys interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.